Yo, gunman. You better come get Skeng, you know, cause I'm out here chat fuck with mouth slip. Watch it.
Molly have him a chat fuckery.
Remember, it's not a performance. Hey, good people, special guest. You got people in there, you know. But you can't get there, you're not in luck for them. That's why I'm telling them to put the part on. Oh, you sit back up in that team. Hey, out for the itch, you know.
Yo, Skeng, you move too fast, brother. You have to slow down, you understand? But here, everybody know a mistake that happened to the biggest set of artists. Them. Even Bounty Killer that happened to recently. You get to me and say when him dey on stage and him out slip. So me know the thing said. Me don't know about Uno, but me still put the video to you make you see what go on. You understand? It dey on TikTok still. It probably gone viral by now. I'm hope say a doctor no video. For Uno know what I mean by doctor. I hope no filter no video. Put in the audio over the man audio. You know them way there? But it seems authentic to me. Even though you have a whole heap of software out there, we can doctor video and make it sound original. But anyway, if I find the original stage show, the long length video, we probably do an update and make you know if it's real or not. You understand? But Skeng, yeah, not trouble, you know. Big up yourself. The man at the moment, the man who run dance all that right now, you understand? Now remember, it's always important to like the video and subscribe. You get what I say? Like the video and subscribe. YIP Verified YouTube channel. Like and subscribe. Big up on yourself.